How to set flow as welcome message in ManyChat. So first go to your account and then just click on settings here at the left side. Next is just look for one of your channels. So let's say I'm going to select Messenger and then look for welcome message and then just click on create new reply. Okay, now let's wait. Okay, now from here you just need to select on add a text. Then you can just type in your welcome message here. So I'll just type in welcome here. Welcome. And then that's it, and then just click on set live, and automations live. Start sending automation to your contacts. Make sure to turn on triggers within their settings. Okay, now I just need to turn on the trigger here. Okay, now you can see welcome message activated. So whenever a user subscribe by clicking the start button in Messenger, this welcome message will pop up. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.